This is the JMGO N1S 4K projector. We're going to jump into the box. We're going to show you some gameplay. We're going to show you some video. Comes with native Google, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, everything native in it. Let's jump in the box and show you what's on the inside. All right, here we go. Nice and easy. A couple things that you're going to want to know really quick before we jump into the box. DT, HD, Dolby Audio, 4K Ultra AD. It has triple lasers. It also has a gimbal. This design is by JMGO. This is new. It also comes with Flexa Smart adaptive system, which means it's going to autofocus for you. You do not have to focus itself. Love the way they package these so you can take them camping or doing anything like that. Got a nice quick handle, and then this locking mechanism on this side. Right out of the box. Here's your quick setup guide, everything you'd need to know here. This is going to be your remote control. We'll show you the details a little bit later about the remote control, but you can see that it has a dedicated YouTube button, Prime Video, and a Netflix button. We also have our power cable with adapter. We'll pull everything out and show you everything out of the way. Want to be really, really careful with this. We don't want to ruin the gimbal. Right down here on the bottom, it also has a mount right here, which is your standard mount that you can put on a tripod, or you can put it up on the ceiling, hanging down, going that way. And again, there's your model number right there, the N1S 4K. All of your plugs are right here. So you've got a USB adapter, HDMI adapter, and Dolby surround sound right here. Here's your front look. Let's get this powered on and get some gameplay and video play going. Okay, we've got everything plugged in. We're just going to hit the power button right here on the bottom. We've got our batteries in our remote control. So you can follow all the commands right here. There's our autofocus right there. We're going to set up everything, get it connected to the internet, and then we'll talk about and show you all of those features. 4K, Ultra HD, triple laser visuals. 1100 ISO lumens, 127 degree AI gimbal, and auto adjust to 127 inches. You can get up to 200 inches on a large screen projector size of 40 to 200 inches. You have adjustable brightness zooms up to 80%, and dim environments. It works really, really well. Immersive audio. This is 5 watt times 2 speakers. This is Dolby Audio. Dolby Digital Plus 55 Hertz Extreme subwoofer. You can see we're playing a little bit of Fortnite right here. This is on the screen. This is not on the computer. This is not on my phone. This is straight on the projector. We've got low latency, smooth motion, and immersive sound. It's got compact, portable design. You can see this clarity as I zoom out and zoom in. Again, as we switch over to Fortnite, you can see the colors, the vivid colors right here. The audio, let's turn up the volume so you can hear that. That Dolby surround sound. Again, those tiny speakers pack a punch. And you'll notice that with the 4K triple laser picture quality, what we're getting is we're getting high clarity, super great color performance, and brightness in different lighting settings. The gimbal allows me to move up and down very, very easily. So if we want to center that on the screen, we can do that. It's super duper easy. There is auto adjustment as well. And so if we move in front of the screen or I put something in front, you'll see right here, we have an auto adjustment with smart eye protection, the brightness comes back, and you can see the clarity right there that automatically focuses and everything on the screen. A little bit of Fortnite gameplay right here. You'd also have this for outdoor movie night. Here we go, we're about to deploy. You can see the visuals here as I zoom in and move the camera just a little bit. That color clarity. Again, this is 4K, and that volume is coming straight from the projector. So with Google TV, you have all of the native apps. One of the things I love about this with the remote control is you have a dedicated Netflix, Prime Video, and Google button. You can see that as I can go across the home, and as I slide through different options, we have all of these apps available. You can actually add more: Prime Video, Free Play, Disney, Hulu, YouTube. You can actually go to Instagram, YouTube Music. Apple TV is also one that we use regularly. Again, you can see all of these apps are included on this, and if there are other things that you want to find here that you can. We have live TV. So we can go to any of these that are live right now and just watch these channels. So we'll just jump in right here, and we can go to Dateline.
So Mystery Man is now gone. Mystery Man is out. So now he's got to explain what he's doing in the basement with the body of his prisoner.
The device is super compact. We have this smart gimbal here. We have our power button here. Again, we have the auto focusing as well. When we cover it up, you can see right here that we go back to auto focusing. And not only that, but do we have that key light frame that'll pull all of these bright colors straight here. I want to walk you through some of the settings in the app that are really, really nice that you need to be aware of. And settings that we can go to screensaver, we can change inputs, we can adjust our sound. When we go all the way down, again, we can adjust our picture. So depending on what type of film that you're watching or movie, when we go to picture mode, you can change it. So we have vivid, standard, and you can see this change. If we go to movie mode, it's going to be a little bit darker. Again, we have dynamic mode, which is going to change all of our settings to make it just a little bit easier to watch a movie. Again, one of the other nice things about the settings is we can adjust our sound, we can connect Wi-Fi, we can go to accessibility. So if we need to turn on closed captions, if we need to do high contrast text, all of these different things are here in these with our accessibility features. We also have a self-cleaning mode. So if we're outside and we're using the device, you can see right up there that this will do a one-click dust removal. So the fan actually comes on and it's cleaning out all of the dust on the backside of the speakers and the fan right there. You can still continue to watch a movie, you can still do whatever you need to do, and you have that option. As I go through, you can see display and sound. I can adjust the picture. I can do ultra bright. The fan will stay on. If we're going to go ultra bright, again, we'll turn that off. So it's basically like that blue light on your phone. If we wanted to connect to a Bluetooth speaker, we could do that. We could also plug in audio output and change that as well. When we adjust sound, this is going to allow us to reduce the bass, turn off the speakers, have some other individual settings. So you have a lot of different options on this device. Now, a couple things before I give you my final thoughts is you can actually add channels and inputs. The projector, this is where you can adjust your keystone correction, which is absolutely fantastic, your autofocus mode. You can see that you can do autofocus, manual focus, or focus settings. You have a screen memory, projection type. You can flip this vertical if you're hanging it from a ceiling. You can also do it horizontal. So front installation, rear projection, you have all of these options that you can change if you wanted to hang this from a ceiling in your house or even outside on a patio. Obviously, we're outside. You have one-click dust removal, which we've already showed you, but going through all of these settings, you have a bunch of different options. The Keystone autofocus is really, really nice because it does auto display and it'll find things. So as soon as I cover it up, you can see smart eye protection right here. It will refocus after the Keystone after I cover that up. So if we go to auto Keystone correction, you can see that it just adjusted automatically. Manual means that I will have to figure that out. And so we're going to go back to auto because I really like it to adjust on its own by itself. I think the last thing that you want to be aware of is that you can actually add additional apps. So there's almost like an app store here with Google TV. It connects automatically. The setup was really easy. It was a QR code, and you can see that we can have ambiance here with the JMGO. So these are items that we can just download. And have these ready to go before a movie starts or a film starts, and those just stay on screen. This is something that JMGO just released a little while ago. We can also screencast to other devices. You saw when we were playing the soccer game, we were screencasting through HDMI, but we can also do screencasting where we're sharing other devices. So you'll want to make sure that you allow permissions in order to connect to this, and it will connect to any device on your Wi-Fi. Here's my final thoughts on the N1S by JMGO. This is a huge upgrade from our previous device, which was also a JMGO, but it was just a couple years older. I love the 4K options. I love the built-in apps. I love the dedicated remote control. The audio, the 5-watt speakers on both sides is loud enough that I don't have to connect another speaker. I can if I want to, a Bluetooth. If I wanted to do surround sound, I could. The latency was almost next to zero, like 17 milliseconds is what they're advertising. I couldn't even tell a difference. So when we're watching soccer, we're playing video games, there was zero lag, zero latency. The colors are bright and beautiful, and they will come across really, really well at nighttime on the screen. One thing that I also really, really like is the accessibility options where I can put all of the text on screen if I want to. We can change languages if we need to as well. We can adjust everything from that dedicated remote control. They've really done a great job upgrading to the new N1S version. I think this is an absolute banger of a projector for any family, indoors, outdoors. You could use it for business, you could use it for school, you could use it for homes, you can use it for parties. You can use it just as a standalone in your theater room, in your house, hanging down from the ceiling. All of those options are available to you. This is an absolute must buy.
Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please check it out and get yours